Today we are going to study about the parabola and its components. The first type is open right where the equation is y squared is equal to 4ax. The diagram, it is looking like that. So this is lattice rectum. We denote L dash, and that is the fixed line D dash. It is called directrix, and this is focus F comma A comma 0. So it is a very important point. A comma 0. It is the focus of the open right word. Here x-axis having plus A and the y-axis having 0. That is very important point. That is open right word. The focus is F of A comma 0. And the focus we denote A comma 0, and the equation of directrix are D dash. So that is the fixed line. So here x-axis and y-axis, the equation it is drawn in the second quadrant and the third quadrant. If this is x is equal to A, means this is x is equal to minus A. Because if you go in left hand side, the answer will having minus symbol. And next value, the axis. Axis is almost touching y and x axis. That is y is equal to 0. Because here it will be touching. And next vertex V. The vertex is touching the point. So the point is crosses on the x-axis. This number, this value is V. That is 0 comma 0. And next equation of L dash. Look at the picture. This is a lattice rectum that is touching from that. Okay. It is passes through the focus. The passes through the focus, that is A comma 0. The lattice rectum only between the line. It is not over that line, that is inner that line. That is touch from here, complete over that here. It is passes through that A comma 0, and this line equation is A coming here x is equal to minus A. That is where it is the lattice rectum. It is directly opposite. That is x is equal to A, and the length almost 4A. It is fixed point. Here 2A and here 2A. From the above axis, the length is 2A. From the down also, axis 2A. So 2 plus 2, that is 4A. That is the first type of the parabola. Second one, open left word. And the equation is y square is equal to minus 4ax. So the picture is directly opposite from the previous. This is x, this is y. We have to draw like that. The vertex is touching to the origin p comma 0, and this is f. That is minus a comma 0. That is lattice rectum L dash, and that is fixed line D dash. You may write directly opposite from the right hand side. Now focus is A plus 0 here the left hand side. So it will become minus A comma 0. And next x is equal to minus A. That is here the positive. X is equal to plus A. Next y axis is equal to 0. Same. Y is equal to 0. And the vertex that is touching to the origin. So here 0 comma 0. And the equation of lattice rectum L dash. That is x is equal to minus A, because it is in left hand side. And last one, length is 4A. That is the main concept of the first two type of the parabola. You just go through and write your note. Third type, open upward. The equation only depend on y and y dash. So we have x is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4ay. Here y squared is equal to 4x, that is x squared is equal to 4a. Then the picture is going upward. That is focus here 0 comma a, because here x is 0, y is a. And this is ladder spectrum, L dash, and this is fixed line, D dash. The same x and the y axis. Now you write the focus here 0 comma a, and the equation of the directrix, that is downstairs. So we denote y is equal to, it is passes negative, so minus a. And next axis, here x is equal to 0, and that is vertex, that is touching point v have 0 comma 0. And next equation of the ladder spectrum, that is from starting from the first coordinate. So we denote y is equal to plus a. And next the length is 4a, same thing. We have to do that. That is never change the length. The last type, open downward. The equation is x squared minus 4a. The diagram is draw like this. This is F, this is V, and that is the L dash. Focus is 0 comma minus a, V is 0 comma 0, and fixed line D dash. Now the focus is 0 comma minus a, and equation of that is y is equal to plus a, and axis x is equal to 0, and vertex 0 comma 0, and equation of the that is minus a, here 4a. It is fixed, length is fixed. So I have to tell you, this is only general equation of the parabola, because the vertex is fully having 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0. Look at the picture. All the vertex point touching the origin. You mind that touching the origin. But if the focus will be changing or lifting up, down, or right and left means, then it will become h minus k, which is here vertex is h comma k will come. That time we are using y is equal to y minus k, x is equal to x minus h will come. So at your book they are giving clear explanation like this table at your book. But I gave you the right method of standard equation. First you study this method, then you have to study in the standard equation. It is useful to you for that. Now we are going to move on the parabola using these components. The examples are fully based to find focus, axis, vertex, and equation of ladder spectrum, directrix, and length also. So you first go through these 4 types of the table, then we move on to the example problem. Example 5.14. Find the length of ladder spectrum. I wrote I L dash of the parabola y squared is equal to 4ax. First, we just recall the tables. What is the focus value and what is the equation of the ladder spectrum? That's why I wrote before the table. So first you write the diagram. Y squared equal to 4ax. There is no h and k value, so it is passes through the origin. It will look like this. Here the focus is a comma 0, and this is L dash. This ladder's rectangle. Now we are going to find the length. Already you know about that. The length always 4a, but we have to prove how is 4a will come. Let y square equal to 4ax means the focus a comma 0. Here x value is a and the y value is y1. We substitute that because that is 0. So y1 square is equal to 4a into a, that is x. Because x value is 4. That is y1 square is equal to 4a square. Then y1 will be plus or minus 2a. So the starting point we have in here. So the middle point is here. So x value a and y value here 2a and here a minus 2a. Look at the difference, that is plus 2a, here minus 2a, because y1 value is plus or minus 2a. Now that is starting point and ending point means we going to add. This is 2a, this is 2a. Then total, the length is 4a. You don't think about that, that is minus 2a. And the distance and counting, we have no added or not mentioned negative value. Therefore, the length of lattice rectangle is 2a plus 2a, 4a units.